Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Emrisi Kusuma and here I want to present a video of my monologue to fulfill my final semester exam assignment. Enjoy! Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk something about many of us use daily, often without a second thought, namely air freshener. It turns out to be as dangerous as cigarettes. We welcome them. We welcome them into our homes, our cars, our office, and believing they provide us with a clean and pleasant environment. However, what many people don't realize is that these seemingly harmless products can pose dangers comparable to those of smoking cigarettes. Let's delve into the science. Air fresheners work by masking odors or by releasing fragrances that can temporarily enhance the skin of room. To achieve this, they often contain a cocktail of chemicals known as volatile organic compounds or VOCs. These compounds include formaldehyde, benzene, toluene, names that should set off alarm bells, as they are well known carcinogens and neurotoxins. Formaldehyde, for instance, is used to create the binding agents in many air fresheners. This chemical can irritate the respiratory systems, causing symptoms such as coughing, wheezing, and even triggering asthmatics. Long-term exposure to formaldehyde is even more concerning, as it has been linked to increased risk of cancer, mirroring the dangers posed by cigarette smoke. And benzene, another common component, is a notorious carcinogen, is linked to leukemia and other blood disorders. Inhaling benzene, even in small amounts over time, can compromise our immune system and lead to serious health conditions. Again, this parallels and the risk we associated with tobacco smoke. Then there's toluene, which can affect the central nervous system. Exposure to toluene can lead symptoms such as headache, dizziness, and cognitive impairments. This is disturbingly similar to neurological effects seen in heavy smokers. But the dangers don't stop at these individual chemicals. Air fresheners also contain pellets, which are used to prolong the life of the fragrance. Pellets are endocrine disruptors, meaning they can interfere our hormone function and lead to reproductive issues and developmental problems, and particularly in children. This is hidden danger that even the most cautious among us might overlook. We must also consider the environmental impact when we use air fresheners. Yes, these chemicals are released into our indoor air, contributing to pollution levels that can be higher inside our home than outside. The long-term accumulation of these toxins can create a hazardous living environment, much like a second-hand smoke from cigarettes. So, what we can do? Awareness is the first step to recognize that pleasant aroma of an air freshener may come at a significant cost to your health. Option for natural alternative is such as essential oils or homemade potpourri, which can freshen the air without harmful chemicals. Improve ventilation in your living space to reduce indoor pollutants. And finally, in conclusion, the hidden dangers of the air fresheners are real and comparable to the risks associated with smoking these cigarettes. By educating ourselves and making more informed choices, we can protect our health and the health of those around us. That's all from me, and thank you.